How to save video in Capcut using PC. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save video in Capcut. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Capcut and import the videos that you want to edit. And you can do it by dragging the video from top to bottom, just like this. And after that, you will see that the main video that you want to edit. You can expand that to make it more clearer or to see the detail of the main video. So let's try to edit or make some changes on our main video, in which we can also change the layout by clicking the original and choosing the ratio size. So I'm gonna choose this ratio 1:1. And we can also add an effect to make a lot of difference between the original and this edited video. So I'm choosing this random effect and attach it to our main video. So let us now play the video that we just edited and see some changes between the original and this edited video. And to save the changes or save the video that we just edited, all you need to do is to scroll up and click the button that says export. And by doing so, it will allow you to customize the file name and even the resolution of the video. You can choose whether 360, 480p, 720, 1080p, 2K resolution, or even 4K resolution. And to save it, kindly click export below. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to save video in Capcut using PC, that is just how to do it. If you think this video was helpful, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.